Hi, I'm Dale with Andgar Corporation, and we'd like to talk to you today about changing your furnace filter. It's that time of the year, furnaces are running hard, and to keep your efficiencies up and your fuel bills and your electricity bills down, it's a good idea to change your filters out periodically, at least check on them, see how dirty they are, and you may want to change them. So we have several different kinds of filters that you may have in your home. You may have an electronic air cleaner, you may have a regular paper filter, and paper filters can come in different sizes, thicknesses. So you may look for a 2-inch filter, you may have a 1-inch filter, you may have a 4-inch filter thickness. So you want to make sure that you get the right size of filter. It's always printed on the side of the filter. This is a 20 by 25 filter. So you want to make sure that you're getting the right size filter for your case that you have. So we're going to go ahead and open the filter door and remove the electronic air cleaner filters out of this box. This one, you slide the latches down, the door swings out, and it removes off to the side. Electronic air filters tend to have a pre-filter. It's the one before the cells. Remove that, set it off to the side for cleaning. And then the cells themselves, they come apart in 2 pieces. Set those aside for cleaning. If you're replacing with a paper filter, you would take your paper filter, whatever size that might be, mark the date on it. So today's 12/1/17. So now you know the last time that you've changed your filter. Before you replace your filter, you want to make sure that you're paying attention to the airflow arrow, and it needs to point in the direction of the equipment so the air passes through the filter properly and it can work efficiently. You'd go ahead and slide the appropriate size filter into your cabinet and then go ahead and fasten your door. So that's how you change your furnace filter. If you have any questions on that, feel free to give us a call here at Andgar Corporation at 360-366-9900. And thanks for watching.